Hello, this is Shade X. Interesting. Well, today that we are doing how to turn your dragon stuff, and today we are asking the question. See, we didn't see Netflix series of Reshoot the Edge. Well, at the very end, they introduce a wildebeest, and Fernanga had. Well, see, Hiccup very first see her. It's confusing. DC, you need to see Raise Your Edge and How to Train Your Dragon 2 to understand what I'm talking about. So, as you did, probably would understand now. I thought reason why Hiccup doesn't know about the King of Dragon in the scenario is Raise Your Edge in the very first season. Well, Goldfleet then, hypnotize people, enable them to forget and change their personality and give them new capabilities. That's also a delusion. Well, I think that's exactly what happened. Because Hiccup knows how level the situation and how dangerous. He asked Goldfleet to brainwash and get rid of their memories, and yeah. That's how I see it. Well, how you guys see it and other things. I don't know. Or there's could be other options. Like, so they didn't hit them really hard and made them forget about it. Or other things. Or there's a giant possibility they forgot about it. That's so odd. That's me. Also, I really want to know about why is it Dagger or Heather or the... Yeah, basically, what happened to all those Zard dragons and those Iron Islands not connected to Burke? Like, what they call Zerks. Outcasts and also... Yeah, I got about the Outcasts and... Maidens from also... And Dagger and... Busy. They also are dragon riders and people use dragons. So many questions yet we had to answer. Also, there was another wildebeest still alive, I believe. But we were still didn't ask these questions. So goodbye.